Hello and welcome. I will show you real quick how to show all spoilers on a Steam page if you are in Chrome or Firefox. I will show you both versions, because sometimes guides are too respectful of spoilers. I hope this is useful. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to support it. Basically, all you have to do is right-click and press Inspector. On the right-hand side, or maybe at the bottom, the sidebar will appear. And now you have to hover over the actual spoiler, right-click again, and press Inspect again. And now you can see it highlighted in blue in the sidebar. You have to select the span tag inside the span tag with the BB spoiler class. And then on the right hand side you can just disable visibility hidden. And now you just have to change the font color, for example, set it to white. And that's all there's to it for the basic concept. You can make other changes, like increase the font size, for example. Or if you only want it to be applied to the spoilers, you can add it at the top. Font size, 20, 18 pixels, whatever. You can also add a different background color, for example, if you want. Maybe something more gray, less black. That'll work too. And that is it. So let's switch to Firefox. In Firefox, you have to basically do the same thing. Right-click one of the spoilers, then press Inspect Element. So it's a bit different. It looks a tiny bit different. It appears in a different section of the screen. And here again, select the span tag inside the span tag with the BB spoiler class. And here, for example, you can use the color selector to pick a different color. Much nicer, isn't it? And also, yet again, you can change the font size. Just click there and write font-size 20px or 18px, whatever floats your boat. Alright, have fun getting spoiled and good luck with that game.